Welcome to all the students. Today we are going to begin a new lesson. The lesson is Early Humans. So please turn to page number 199 and we are going to learn about early humans. Look at this picture here. What do you see? This picture shows the life of the early humans. It's very different from the life today, isn't it? Yes. The clothing, the house they live in, the tools they use were not so developed like we have today. But at the same time, they were also very unique from the animals around because humans can think, they can act, and they can also make new things, and they can also pass their knowledge to others. So let's read and find out more about the life of the early humans. So what are the topics we will be doing in this lesson? We'll get introduced to the early humans. We'll learn about their food, the tools and the clothes of the early humans. And we will also learn about the beginning of farming. Today, we will be learning about the early humans, the food, tools and clothes of the early humans. And then in the next few days, we will also learn about how they discovered fire and farming and taming of animals, and then the settled life of the early humans, and then about how transportation developed. Look at the pictures given below and write what activities early humans performed for their survival. So in the first picture we see them hunting. Second picture shows how they developed different stone tools for hunting, for gathering food, for survival. And then we see how they progressed and they started to understand that they can grow their own crops, and then thus farming was developed and they started settling down in one place. So these are the different pictures about the how the early man progressed, and finally they began to do farming and to for their basic needs of food. So all of you should read along with me. Okay. Early humans. Humans are the most powerful beings on the earth. This is so because they can think and act while animals cannot. Humans can make things, they can pass on their knowledge and skills to others. Early humans were very different from the modern humans. Their food habits, clothes, and tools were not developed. So, as we saw before, we saw that humans are so unique compared to all the other animals because they can think and act and they can make things. They can also pass their knowledge, and humans also can understand what is good and what is bad, right? So that makes them very unique. And also the early humans were very different from the modern humans, right? They did not have the today we have all these facilities and we stay in comfortable houses, but for early humans it was very different. They used to live in the forests and they had to find their own food from the plants, from the wild animals, and then they had to hunt, and they had to uh, uh, invent tools for fulfilling their basic needs. So it was very different from the modern humans. Okay, let's continue. Food. Early humans lived in forests and caves. They ate raw fruits, roots, soft stems, and the flesh of wild animals. At that time, they did not know how to cook food and ate whatever was available in the forest. Many times they had to move from one place to another in search of food. You see the picture here of the food of early humans. Is it like today how we have the stove for cooking food, and then we have the ovens for baking. No, it was very different, right? They had not even discovered fire. So they would eat only raw food, raw fruits, roots, raw stems which were available in the forest around them. And then they also would eat the flesh of wild animals in raw form. They had to always move from one place to another in search of food. So this was the food habits of the early humans. So they were called as hunter gatherers because they had to always be on the move. So wherever food was available, they would keep moving from one place to the other in search of food. So the early man used to live in the forest. Sometimes they would build tree houses on the top of the trees to be safe from the wild animals. Then they used to live in the caves to again protect from the adverse climatic conditions and also from wild animals. So long, long ago, man made use of the natural environment to provide them with shelter. These are some examples of the early homes which they made using the bones of animals or the hide from animal skins. Then we see the food of the early man. They used to eat raw fruits, roots, soft stems, or the flesh of wild animals. So all of you can read along with me. Let's find out about the tools which the early humans used. Early humans felt the need of tools for the purpose of hunting wild animals and for digging out plants. They used simple stones with sharp edges to hunt animals. Later, they started shaping them to suit their purpose. The first weapon that the early humans made was a club. Then, sharper weapons were made which included hammers, choppers and axe heads. Later, it was realized that if a stone was tied to a long piece of wood, it could be thrown at an animal. This helped them to hunt animals without going near them. Since most of the tools were made of stones, this age was called the Old Stone Age. So did you understand what we read? What was the need of the tools for the early humans? They made tools for fulfilling their basic need of food. They needed tools for hunting animals and also for digging out plants for their food. Right. So initially, what kind of tools did they use? They used very simple tools such as stones with sharp edges for the purpose of hunting. Then later on they started modifying them according to their need. They started shaping them and making it more sharp and so that they can use it for hunting in a better way. Now which was the first weapon that the early humans made? It was a club. What's a club? A club is the simplest of the weapons. It's usually made of wood. It's shaped like a stick or a short staff and it is used as a weapon since ancient times. Okay. Then later on they made sharper weapons such as hammers, choppers and axe heads. Then later on they began to modify it further. They attached a stone to a long piece of wood and used that to hunt animals. So this way they did not have to go near the wild animals while hunting. So most of the tools were made of stones and this age is called as the Old Stone Age. Here are pictures of some of the tools used. This is a club which is a short stick usually made of wood used for protecting themselves. Then they made tools for digging out plants and also for hunting animals. Initially they used simple tools, then they began to modify them according to their need. They started to sharpen the tools, and then they attached tools to the a wooden rod so that they would be able to hunt in a better way. So they kept on improvising and making better and better tools to fulfill their need of food. Next, let's read together about the clothes of the early human. In the beginning, early humans did not wear clothes. They lived in caves to protect themselves from the cold weather and wild animals. Later on, they started covering their body with skin of animals and the barks of trees or leaves. This helped them stay warm during winters. So, the early humans used the skin of animals and the bark of trees or leaves to make a covering for themselves. So, how did the early humans make their clothing? Did they have the sewing machines to stitch clothes like we have today? No. They used the leaves, bark of trees, and animal skins to make clothing for themselves. Now it's time for some question and answers to revise what we studied today. Are you all ready? First question. Can you tell me, early humans used to eat raw fruits, roots and soft stems, flesh of animals, all of the above? So which is the right answer? The right answer is D, all of the above. Well done. The next question. Early humans lived in buildings, huts, forests and caves, none of the above. So which is the right answer? Early humans lived in forests and caves. That's right. Early humans used dash as clothing. Is it leaves and skin of animals? Or fabric, leather, none of the above? The right answer is A, leaves and skin of the animals. Good. Next question. Early humans first hunted animals with guns, simple stones with sharp edges, modern tools, all of the above. So which is the right answer? First, they hunted animals with simple stone with sharp edges. Early humans used to eat dash food. So early humans had not yet discovered fire. So they used to eat which food? Was it raw food, restaurant food, steamed food? None of the above. Yes, that's right. Early humans used to eat raw food. Next question. Early humans made their first weapon called drill, screw, club, none of the above. So the right answer is club. Early humans made weapons of, is it mud, steel, stone, none of the above? The right answer is stone. That's right. The next question. Hunting animals was done by A. Initially using simple stones with sharp edges. B. Later they started shaping them and making sharper weapons like hammer, chopper, axe heads. C. Then stone was tied to a long piece of wood to be able to reach farther distances. And D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. So you all got the right answers for the question and you get a star.